How do we find the value of A, B, C? Solution. This question has one condition. The condition is that A, B, C is greater than 0. That is, A is greater than 0, B is greater than 0, and C is greater than 0. So let's proceed further. So let's call this equation 1, and let's call this equation 2. So from 2, we have AC plus BC equals 17. Clearly, C is common, so let's pull it out. We have C into A plus B equals 17. Let's consider 17. 17 could be written as 1 times 17, or we write 17 as 17 times 1. So let's call this case 1, and let's call this case 2. Case 1, when 17 is equals to 1 times 17, so we're going to have C times A plus B equals 1 times 17. This implies that C is equals to 1 and A plus B is equals to 17. We've obtained the value of C and it satisfied our condition, that is, C is greater than 0. So now from equation 1, we have AB plus BC equals 65. From this guy, B is common, we can pull it out, so we're going to have B into A plus C is equals to 65. So let's consider this guy. A to be equals 17 minus B. Now let's plug in the value of C and A into this expression. So we're going to have B into what is A, that is 17 minus B, plus what is C, that is 1, equals 65. This implies B 17 plus 1, that is 18, minus B equals 65. B times 18, that is 18B. B times minus B, that is minus B squared, equals 65. Rewriting this, we have B squared minus 18B plus 65 equals 0. This guy is factorizable, so we're going to have B squared minus 13B minus 5B plus 65 equals 0. B is common, so we're going to have B into B minus 13 minus negative 5 is common. We're going to have minus 5 into B minus 13 equals 0. So B is equals to 13 or B is equals to 5. We all know that. Now, when B is equals to 13, what is A? That means we are going to plug in the value of B, which is 13, into this guy. So we're going to have A is equals to 17 minus 13, which is 4. So A is equals to 4 when B is equals to 13. Also, when B is equals to 5, so A is equals to 17 minus 5, which is equals to 12. So A is equals to 12. Therefore, A, comma B, comma C is equals to what? When A is 4, B is 13. So we're going to have 4, comma 13, comma, what is C? C is 1. The second solution is that A, comma B, comma C is equals to, when A is 12, we have B to be 5. So we have 12, comma 5, comma C is 1. C remains unchanged. For the second case, when 17 equals to 17 times 1, so we're going to replace 17 with this guy. So we have C times A plus B equals 17 times 1. That is for the case 2. Which means that C is equals to 17 and A plus B is equals to what? Is equals to 1. Clearly, C equals to 17 is greater than 0. Our condition is satisfied. Now, A plus B is equals to 1. For this guy to hold, one of these guys must be 1 and the other must be 0. And if one of these happens to be 0, that either A or B, that will violate our condition. That is, A, comma B, comma C must be greater than 0. So that means that case 2 has no solution. So the solution requires are these guys.